Hello friends, let us discuss further. Once again, as I told you, the function is very important concept in mathematics. Last year you have studied the meaning of function, some special type of functions along with their graphs and algebra functions. This year the study is extended to the types of functions, composite functions and invertible functions. Today let us consider the types of functions. Only two important definitions are there. Basing on that, some examples, that is exercise 1.2. Please try to understand the concept first. What is one-to-one function? There are two types: one-to-one function or injective function, on-to function or surjective function. Some function which is one-to-one as well as on-to function is bijective function. Okay. Before considering the definition, try to understand these diagrams. I am considering all the examples and explanations from your textbook only. I am strictly referring textbook. There are plenty of examples, interesting examples and funny examples are also there. Okay, I don't want to consider those things. I am stick on to these your textbook only. Consider the functions. Let us consider four functions: f1, f2, f3 and f4, and functions are defined from x to y, defined on x to y. X is domain, y is codomain. Okay, consider this first one: 1 2 3 4. This is the elements of domain x. A B C D E F are the elements of codomain y. The function, the mapping from x to y, suppose this is f1, the function is f1. f2 is, suppose the same domain 1 2 3 4 and same codomain, another function is defined as f2, and f3 1 2 3 4 domain remains same, whereas codomain only ABC. f4 1 2 3 4 codomain is ABCD. Okay. Okay. Now carefully observe the diagram. Here 1 is mapped to C. That means f of 1 is equal to C. The meaning is f of 1 is equal to C. f of 2 is equal to B. f of 3 is equal to A. f of 4 is equal to E. That means all the elements 1, 2, 3, 4 are mapped from domain to codomain. No element is left with here. Here also all the elements are, in the second case f2, all the elements are mapped. Here 1C, 2B, 3A and 4E. See, for each, these are called as pre-images. These are images. For each pre-images in domain, the images are distinct. Each one distinct pre-images having distinct images. Whereas here 1 to B and 2 to B, 1 and 2 have the same image B. Here 1 and 2 have the same image, that is B, whereas 3 and 4 having B and C respectively. Function 4 is 1 to B, 2 to C, 3 is mapped to A, 4 to D. Okay, let us note down the observations. Here in function f1, images are distinct for distinct pre-images. For distinct pre-images, images are distinct, one thing. D and F are not at all the images of any element in X. These are not connected to any element of the domain. Okay. So if each and every element of the domain, distinct elements of domain are having the distinct images in codomain, then that is called as one-to-one function. Okay, distinct pre-images should have distinct images. So this is called as one-to-one function. This is called as one-to-one function. Here same image having two pre-images. So this is not called as one-to-one function, it is called as many-one. Many-one. It is one-to-one, this is many-one. This is also many-one. Many-one. Okay. Here this is again one-to-one. Okay, this is one property. Now here each element or images are not each images does not have pre-image in X. D and F are not the images of any element, so it is not onto. It is not onto. For a function to be onto, each and every element of the codomain or image should have corresponding element in domain, or each these elements of this codomain should be images of the domain only. Here again C and F are left with. C and F are not images of X. Please try to understand. Here this is also not onto. Not onto. This is many-one and not onto. Here A, B, C are the images of 1, 2, 3, 4 only. Each element in codomain is image of X. So this is onto. Clearly 4 is also onto. Nothing is left with, so onto. Okay, thus F1 and F2 are one-to-one, F2 and F3 are many-one, F3 and F4 are onto, F1 and F2 are not onto, F4 is both one-to-one and onto. This is called as bijective function. This one-to-one function is also called as injective. This is also called as injective. Injective, okay. Onto function is also called as surjective. surjective, surjective. See, this is, I will write here, also called as bijective, which satisfies both the properties. This is bijective. Okay, you take this and try to understand the concept clearly. let us consider the definitions. See here, these are the definitions. Basing on that explanation, now let us try to define this. These are the very important definitions, and if you know these two perfectly, you will be able to solve all the examples in 1.2. Okay, definition 5. A function f from x to y is defined as 1-to-1 or injective if different elements of x have different images in y under the function f. Different elements of x have different images. Otherwise, it is called many one. If it is only one image for different elements of x, if the same elements of x have different elements of x have same image, then that is many one. A function f is from x to y is called onto or surjective if every element of y is the image of some element of x under the function f. That is, for every y belongs to y, there exists, this is the notation for there exists an element x belongs to x domain. Fx is equal to y, such that fx is equal to y. If a function is both 1-to-1 as well as onto, then that is called as bijective function. Okay, to solve examples, you remember this much is enough. See, to check whether it is 1-to-1, you take fx1 and fx2. fx1 is equal to x1 is equal to x2, means these two are one and the same month. F is onto if a range of f is equal to codomain of f, means every element of codomain should have pre-images in domain. F is from x to y is onto if and only if range of f is equal to y or fx is equal to y. You take it, let us solve some examples. Consider this example. Let A be a set of all 50 students of a class. Let the function be a to n be a function defined by fx is roll number of the student x. Roll number of the student x. Show that f is 1-to-1 but not 1-to. Suppose A, the set A is students of a class. Students of the class. This is codomain is n, set of all natural numbers. Total number of students is 50, so only 50 members are here, 50 students are here. Since in the same class no two different students can be given the same roll number. Okay, this is 1-to-1 as roll numbers of different students in the same class are different the function f is what? F is 1-to-1, not many one. Okay, not any 1. Okay, 1 to 1 is important. If you write that much is enough. See here, there are infinite number of numbers here, natural numbers, 1, 2, so on up to 51, 52, 100, all. Only suppose, without loss of generality, suppose the numbers, roll numbers of the students are 1 to 50, then there is no pre-images for 51, 52, so on. If the roll numbers are from 1 to 50, the numbers the numbers 51, 52, so on, does not have pre-images in A. This is A, this is N. Pre-images, F is roll number. Pre-images in A. Therefore, or that is F1, 51, so on are not the images of X belongs to A. Therefore, F is not on to. F is not on to function. Okay, is it clear, visible? So the thing is, since the numbers other than 1 to 50 are not the images of any student here, so all the elements in the codomain are not the images of domain. So F is not onto. Okay, since roll numbers are distinct and unique to each student and it is different for different student, this is one-to-one function, and 51, 52, so on up to infinite number are not the images of X under F, so this is not onto function. One thing is over. Show that the function F from natural numbers to natural number, set of natural numbers given by Fx is equal to 2x is 1 to 1 but not onto. This is you have to prove. Okay, let x1, x2 belongs to set of natural numbers. Okay, and suppose fx1 is equal to fx2. Suppose fx1 is equal to fx2. We have to check whether this implies x1 is equal to x2 or not. What is fx1? 2x1. What is fx2? 2x2. So this implies clearly x1 is equal to x2. Therefore, f is 1 to 1. See, this is from set of natural number to natural number. Okay, this is F. See here, There are plenty numbers. This is 2x means this is even number. 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. Only even numbers are images of this M. Remaining other odd numbers are not the images of the domain, as 1 or 3 or 5, so on, are not the images of any element in the domain. F is not onto. Is it okay? See, suppose 3. Suppose 3. 2x is equal to, for example, if you take 3, 2x is equal to 3 means x is equal to 1.5. This does not belongs to this set of natural numbers. So there does not exist any x. There does, in other words, there does not exist any x such that fx is equal to odd number. Now take this. Let us start the exercise 1.2. First question is, show that the function f r star to r star defined by fx is equal to 1 by x is 1 to 1 and onto, where r star is the set of all non-zero real numbers, all real numbers except 0. Is the result true if the domain r star is replaced by n? Here some authors will denote this r star is as r minus 0 also. Okay, this is not the, for this example only r star is r minus this. Okay, that is not standard notation. Okay, fx is, f is from r star to r star and fx is 1 by x. Now f of x1 is equal to f of x2. Suppose x1 and x2 are the elements of r star, implies 1 by x1 is equal to 1 by x2. This implies x1 is equal to x2. x1, x2 are taken from this r star. Therefore, f is 1 to 1 function. F is 1 to 1. Now to check whether it is onto or not, y is equal to fx is equal to 1 by x. Therefore, x is equal to 1 by y. That is, f of 1 by y is equal to, as y is not equal to 0. Okay, this is 1 over 1 by y. Just replace x by 1 by y is equal to y. Therefore, fx is equal to y. See, what you have to do is express this x in terms of y and find f of x for that value. If it reduces to y, if you get fx is equal to y, then that function is said to be onto. Okay. Therefore, f is onto. Second part, you complete yourself. See here, very simple. If second part, if f is from domain is replaced by n to r star, then clearly g of x1 is equal to g of x2 implies 1 by x1 is equal to 1 by x2 implies x1 is equal to x2. So, g is 1-to-1 function. For some say 2.5 belongs to r star. Okay, there does not exist any 1 by 2.5 does not belongs to set of natural numbers. Therefore, g is not onto. Okay. Here, check the injectivity and surjectivity of the following functions, or one-to-one or onto functions. First one, f is from n to n given by fx is equal to x square. F is z to z, fx is equal to x square. And third case, f is from r to r, real line to real line, fx is equal to x square. Let us consider this first. Okay. Solution for part A. As x1 and x2 belongs to set of natural numbers, f x1 is equal to f x2 implies x1 square is equal to x2 square. Fx is x square. This implies x1 is equal to x2 because set of natural numbers. Therefore, f is 1 to 1. To check whether it is onto or not, see, the range is, the codomain is also set of natural numbers. There are many numbers other than square numbers. Suppose say 3. 3 is not the image of any number in the domain. See, as 3 belongs to codomain n is not an image of any number in domain. Dominion, that is, you have to write like this: there does not exist any x, there does not exist any x in domain for 3 belongs to codomain. It means, see here, this is n, this is n. Both are set of natural numbers. This is the function fx is equal to x square. See here, 1, 2, 3. Suppose x square is equal to 3 means there should be root 3. Square of root 3 is root 3, but this is not here. So domain, similarly, case 2, fx1 is equal to fx2 implies x1 square is equal to x2 square, but this does not imply x1 is equal to x2, because x1 x2 are elements of integer here. See, for example, okay, let us write this implies x1 is equal to plus or minus x2. Okay, do you got it? Suppose, say this 4, this may be 2 square or minus 2 square. Okay, if you take square roots, this may be 2 or minus 2, but not, you can't say uniquely. So therefore x1 is not same as x2, therefore f is not 1 to 1. Similarly, there does not exist any x in domain for 3 or minus 3. Okay, 3 belongs to codomain because root 3 is not an integer, or if you take minus 3, that will be imaginary. Similarly, for C is also fx1 is equal to fx2 implies x1 square is equal to x2 square, does not imply x1 is equal to x2. And since there does not exist any x belongs to domain for minus 3 belongs to codomain. Minus 3 in codomain is not the image, does not have any pre-image in domain, or minus 3 is not the image of any element in domain. This is cubic function. D is fx is equal to x cube. Answer to D is f x1 is equal to f x2 implies x1 cube is equal to x2 cube, that is x1 is equal to x2, as x1 x2 are natural numbers. But there does not exist any x such that x in domain n such that x cube is equal to 2 or x cube is equal to 4 or x cube is equal to 1, etc. Therefore, f is not onto. Here f is 1 to 1. Is it okay? See, there is an element 2 in the codomain. Corresponding to 2, there is no element in domain, which is cube root of 2. Cube root of 2 does not belong to set of the natural numbers. So, E is f of x1 is equal to f of x2 implies x2 cube. This implies, since cubic function x1 is equal to x2, therefore f is 1 to 1. But there does not exist any x in domain such that x cube is equal to 2, that is cube root of 2 does not belongs to set of integers. Therefore, f is not onto. Okay. And therefore, this is because prove that the function from R to R given by fx is equal to 2x is 1 to 1 and onto. This is very simple. F of x1 is equal to f of x2 implies 2x1 is equal to 2x2. F of x1 is 2x1, f of x2 is 2x2, implies x1 is equal to x2. Therefore, f is 1 to 1. Okay. Now, f of x is equal to y. F of x is equal to y, that is equal to 2x, implies x is equal to y by 2. Okay. Therefore, f of x is equal to y, you have to find f of x is equal to, or okay, f of x is equal to f of y by 2. What is f of x? 2x. So 2 times y by 2 it is equal to y. Therefore fx is equal to y. So f is 1 to 1. Okay. Show that the function from n to n given by f1 is equal to f2 is equal to 1. Fx is equal to x minus 1. For every x greater than 2 is on to, but not 1 to 1. See clearly, f of 1 is equal to f of 2 is equal to 1 means this is not 1 to 1, because f of x is equal to f of x1 is equal to f of x2, should be x1 should be equal to x2, but 1 is not equal to 2. Okay, since f of 1 is equal to f of 2 is equal to 1, but 1 is not equal to 2. F of x1 is equal to f of x2 should imply x1 is equal to x2. 1 is not equal to 2. Therefore, f is not 1 to 1. Now, to find whether it is onto or not, y is equal to fx is equal to x minus 1. Therefore, x is equal to y plus 1. So, f of y plus 1 is equal to x minus 1. X is y plus 1 minus 1 is equal to y. This is fx. So fx is equal to y. Therefore, y is onto. Show that the function n to n is given by fx is equal to x plus 1 and x is odd, x minus 1 and x is even, is 1 to 1 function. There are 3 cases. Okay, let us find. Let x1 is odd and x2 is even. Then fx1 is equal to fx2 implies fx1 means when x1 is odd, x1 plus 1 is equal to when x2 is even, x2 minus 1. When x is even, x minus 1. When x2 is even, x2 minus 1. This implies x2 minus x1 is equal to 2. So, this is impossible. The difference of odd and even cannot be even number. Let x1 is even and x2 is odd. The similar fx1 is equal to, when x1 is even means x1 minus 1, x2 is odd means x2 plus 1. So this implies x1 minus x2 is equal to 2. This is also wrong. So when x1 and x2 are odd, what happens? Fx1 is equal to fx2 implies odd means x1 plus 1, x2 plus 1. This implies x1 is equal to x2. Therefore f is 1-to-1 function. When x1 and x2 are even, then fx1 is equal to fx2, x1 minus 1, x2 minus 1 implies x1 is equal to x2. Therefore f is 1-to-1. Okay.